Hello everyone. Welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is Rakesh Karma from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on natural gas. NYMEX natural gas price confirmed surrendering to the negative pressure by crawling below $2 level this week. The continued negative momentum coming by the major indicator will increase the efficiency of the bearish track to expect downside target till $1.50 and $1.35 on the medium term basis. MCX natural gas price had given negative close yesterday and failed to reach the upper key resistance of 179 level, indicates short-term trend is bearish. However, natural gas price is holding in sideways range with key trendline support at 160 level, and break below will drag the price further down till 155 and 148 level in near term. The price indicator is bearish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.